Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Moai is probably one of the most iconic and mysterious statues in the world, drawing visitors from across the globe to the remote Easter Island. These colossal stone figures, carved by the Rapa Nui people centuries ago, stand as silent sentinels, their enigmatic expressions and imposing presence sparking endless fascination and debate about their purpose and creation. If you're captivated by history, archaeology, or simply the allure of the unknown, exploring the story and significance behind the Moai is an unforgettable journey into a unique cultural heritage. Number 5. Moai Tissue Box Holder, Gray. Tired of boring tissue boxes? Introducing a unique twist that brings fun to your everyday essentials. It's designed to be a conversation starter. This isn't just a tissue holder, it's a functional piece of art. Easily dispense tissues with a playful touch, adding charm to any room. Simply place your tissue box in the back and pull a tissue through its nose. Its weighted design ensures it stays put wherever you place it. Ideal for your bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, or desk. It's a convenient and stylish addition to any space that needs a touch of personality. With its eye-catching design and practical use, it's more than just a holder. It's a decorative item that truly stands out in your home or office. Crafted from durable polyresin, this holder measures 18 by 19 centimeters with a height of 31.5 centimeters. It's built to last and impress. What we like. This item offers a truly unique way to dispense tissues, pulling them right from its nose. It's surprisingly heavy, ensuring it stays put wherever you place it. If you're looking for a functional piece of decor that will make your guests do a double take and bring a smile to their faces, this is the one for you. What people say. It is one of my favorite things and always makes me smile. I have had students crying, and when I offer them a Kleenex from this guy's nose they have started laughing. Best counseling office tissue holder ever. I love the finish, like a rough basalt. Well constructed, sturdy, you have to force the tissue box in, but it stays once you do. It is whimsical yet practical as a tissue dispenser and headphone holder. It is bigger than expected and fits a full-size tissue box, not just a tiny one. The tissues themselves, I can't find any that pop up. The next one to ski this work right, but it is sturdy enough you're not afraid to use it. Number 4. Design Toscano Akivi Moai Monolith Statue, Large. Introducing the Akivi Moai Monolith Statue, inspired by the ancient Easter Island originals. This large Moai head statue is the perfect addition to your next tropical luau party. Honor the gods of Rapa Nui by placing this symbol of their kings, ancestors, or gods on your patio, near your tiki bar, or in the center of your garden. This sculpture is hand-cast using real crushed stone bonded with durable designer resin. It features a UV-resistant faux chiseled stone finish for lasting beauty. This Akivi Moai monolith sculpture is an exclusive design Toscano piece. Its famous image has even been featured in a fantasy movie. This large Easter Island head statue measures 12.5 W x 13 D x 24.5 H and weighs 12 pounds. It's a substantial piece that makes a statement. What we like. Inspired by ancient Easter Island monoliths, this large statue brings a touch of Polynesian mystique to your space. Crafted from real crushed stone and resin with a protective finish, it's built to last. If you love tropical themes, tiki culture, or want a striking centerpiece for your garden or patio, this imposing figure is an excellent choice. What people say. It looks like real stone, yet it is transportable. The texture feels good with an appropriate stone-like appearance. The weight is light, but it has a satisfying bit of heft to it. They look very authentic. They are lightweight and sturdy. Number 3. Bonaluna Moai Geo-Layered Hammered Dangle Drop Earrings. Introducing a stunning pair of statement earrings designed to elevate any outfit. These unique pieces are crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Featuring a captivating geo-layered design, these earrings offer a modern and sophisticated aesthetic. The intricate layering adds depth and visual interest. Each earring boasts a beautiful hammered texture, providing a unique tactile and visual appeal. This finish catches the light, adding a subtle shimmer. The elegant dangle drop style creates graceful movement with every turn of your head. They are designed to be eye-catching and complement your natural beauty. These earrings are the perfect accessory for any woman looking to make a stylish statement. They are versatile enough for both casual and formal occasions. Experience the quality craftsmanship of Bonaluna with these exquisite earrings. They are a testament to timeless style and exceptional design. What we like. These earrings feature a modern geometric take on the iconic Moai shape, with a hammered finish that catches the light beautifully. They are designed to be eye-catching statement pieces without being heavy. If you're seeking unique jewelry that blends cultural inspiration with contemporary style and want to add a distinctive flair to your outfits, these are perfect. What people say. Knit cheap looking. A little heavy but theta because that's good quality. These earrings are stunning. They are the size, texture and style shown have enjoyed wearing them. Nice finish, not too shiny and not too dull. Number 2. Easter Island Moai T-shirt. Discover the enigmatic allure of Easter Island with this unique T-shirt. It's a wearable piece of history, inspired by the iconic Moai statues. Featuring the world-famous Moai monoliths, this shirt brings a touch of ancient wonder to your wardrobe. Embrace the mystery of these stone giants. Part of our World Mystery Collection, this T-shirt is perfect for those fascinated by ancient civilizations and unexplained phenomena. Wear a story. Crafted for comfort and style, this tee is ideal for everyday wear. Show off your interest in global enigmas with this eye-catching design. Own a piece of the world's fascination with Easter Island. This T-shirt is more than just apparel, it's a conversation starter about ancient marvels. What we like. This T-shirt features a cool graphic inspired by the enigmatic Moai statues of Easter Island. Made from soft fabric, it's comfortable for everyday wear. If you're a fan of world mysteries, unique cultural symbols, or just want a stylish and comfortable tee with a conversation-starting design, this is a great addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The Moai is a great addition to any home, offering a unique and stylish way to display your favorite plants. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, and the durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. The intricate details of the Moai design are truly captivating, adding a touch of ancient mystery to your decor. Number 1. Freeing Moai Figma Action Figure. Introducing a unique collectible from Freeing. This is the first figure in the Table Museum Annex series, inspired by the mysterious Moai statues of Easter Island. These figures capture the essence of the iconic Moai statues, known for their imposing presence on Easter Island, off the coast of Chile. Experience incredible articulation with its smooth Figma joints. You can recreate a wide range of dynamic poses, bringing the statue to life. This versatile figure includes parts that allow you to display it as a classic bust or as the complete statue. Add this intriguing piece to your collection. It's a fantastic representation of ancient mystery and modern collectible design. What we like. This action figure brings the mystery of the Easter Island Moai to your desk or shelf with its posable joints. You can recreate various stances or display it as a detailed bust. If you're an anime figure collector, a fan of unique collectibles, or want a dynamic representation of these ancient statues that you can interact with, this is a must-have. What people say. Very articulate, great accessories, awesomely strange figure. The articulation is fantastic, allowing for a wide range of dynamic poses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.